Greetings and salutations! I'm back by popular demand, and this time I'm bringing you how to do cornrows on your own natural hair. Now we're going to get straight into it today, so get your usual things that you need, your oil, grease, comb, hairbands, whatever, and let's get into it. Take a piece of hair from the front and split it into 3. Then take your outside piece, reach under the middle and grab the other side. Take the middle piece over, under and grab the other side. Now we're going to add some more hair. Be sure to take the piece of hair closest to the braid to avoid it looking flack. Now we're going to take that middle piece over, and when we're going under, we're going to scrape up some hair, reach through and grab the other side. Bring that middle piece over, reach under, scrape and grab the other side. Bring it over, under, scrape, reach through and grab. Over, reach under, scrape and grab. Make sure you keep separating the ends, because if you don't, you'll end up with one giant knot. And it ain't gonna be my fault. If you've gotten this far, kudos to you. Keep going. Just continue this motion right the way down to the back. Take a piece of hair from the front and split it into 3. Then take your outside piece, reach under the middle and grab the other side. Bring that middle piece over, under and grab the other side. Now we're going to add more hair. Remember to add the piece that's closest to the braid to avoid it looking slack. Now take your middle piece over, and as we're coming under, scrape up and grab the other side. Separate the ends. Over, under, scrape and grab the other side. Separate the ends. Bring it over, reach under, scrape and grab the other side. Separate the ends. Reach under, scrape, grab the other side. Separate the ends.